There are many different breeds of parrots, each with its own unique characteristics and personality traits. Here are some of the most popular breeds of parrots. African gray parrot. These birds are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. They are also very social and enjoy interacting with their owners. Amazon parrot. These birds are known for their bright colors and outgoing personalities. They can be quite talkative and enjoy socializing with humans. Cockatoo. These birds are known for their striking appearance and friendly personalities. They are also very intelligent and love to play. Macaw. These birds are known for their stunning plumage and playful personalities. They can also be quite loud and require a lot of attention. Budgergar, budgie. These small parrots are popular pets due to their easy maintenance and ability to bond with their owners. They are also very social and enjoy interacting with humans. Conure. These birds are known for their playful personalities and colorful feathers. They are also quite social and love to be around people. Eclectus parrot. These birds are known for their striking appearance and gentle personalities. They are also very intelligent and can be trained to do tricks. Overall, parrots make great pets for those who are willing to invest time and effort in their care and training.